Hey guys, this is Cody from Dropping Hertz Car Audio. We're here today bringing you another amplifier test here with our SMD Demore Engineering amplifier dyno. Today on our bench we have a B2 Audio M1s. This was sent in by Jack to be tested. We're going to get it on the bench here and see what it does. First we'll give you a quick walkthrough of what we got here, how we're hooked up, and let y'all see what's going on. Alright, power wise here, I'm using a bank of 14 excess power S1400s. This is a smaller version, the same size but less reserve capacity than the D1400. So this isn't going to have the capacity you guys, some of you guys have thought. I expect we're going to be starting in the 15 to 15.5 volt range, and I expect to see a drop of this M1s down into the 13 somewhere. Should give you guys, we got some Toolmaker bus bars wired up. Hey, we're using all Sky High Car Audio 2-aught OFC wire, 2-aught copper lugs. Connector, you got Anderson, our 4-aught Anderson connectors. We've got my Fluke 355 here. We're going to grab a couple clamp numbers. I'll explain a little more about that later. And here on this M1s, we have triple 1-aught power and grounds. We're using our Toolmaker 4-aught to 1-aught reducers here. Head units wired up, got our Dropping Hertz RCAs, and then over to our dyno. Alright, we're just going to get straight to the testing and see how it does. Alright, we're going to run 9 total tests. We may actually drop it below 1 ohm. Wasn't told anything about it, so we might do it anyway. We're going to start in certified, go to uncertified, then dynamic, and see how it does. Oops, passed it. Alright, certified dyno mode. Mono. Drop her straight down to 1 ohm. Let's get our track over here. Now we're on track 4. Amplifier has already been set with a 10 dB overlap. And we're good to go. Dyno. Yeah, I apologize if this isn't the best quality video. I'm taking this with my phone. Alright, you see our starting voltage. Let's see if we can get a little focus here. 14.71 starting. And here we go. Alright, not too bad here. 7304, 13.3 volts. I haven't checked this amp lately. I think it's rated right in the 7K range. I can double check that later. Alright, not too bad. They're dropped down to 13.3 volts, 7300 watts. Very solid amplifier. Alrighty. Alright, let me go get my charger on. Keep this thing charged up between runs. I know this thing when I first turned it on, amplifier did kick in to protect. It's over 16 volts, so I had to cut the charger off. Alrighty. And here we are, certified 2 ohm. $44.23, 13.85. And 4 ohm. $24.83, 4 ohm, 14.16. All right. We're really gonna test this battery bank. The best I've been really able to support and hold 14 volts is up to about a 5K. This being a little over 7,000 watt amplifier is really pushing it. So we're going to test the battery bank out, but we're going to keep going here. All right, this is going to be uncertified at 1 ohm. And one thing, we're testing this with a 40 hertz track as well. This is uncertified 1 ohm, run to clipping. 7428, 13.31. Very, very nice. Definitely like what we're seeing here. Alright, this is going to be our 2 ohm run. And our 4 ohm run. All right, we're gonna get into dynamic testing now. See what she's got. The dynamic burst at 1 ohm. Let's go check the track. All right, here's dynamic at 1 ohm. Nice. And get her down to 2 ohm. Do my best to not talk too much throughout this. Keep this video as short as possible. We're already going on 7 minutes. All right, get it at 4 ohm. All right, solid numbers here. And this is why we have our flue clamp meter here. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to clamp our amperage consumption. You know what? I'm going to run this live. And we'll keep our eye over here on the clamp meter. Let's reset it. Keep our eyes here on the clamp. All right, we just saw 741 amps right when I hit pause. This makes a lot more sense. 741. And we have 7,890 watts at 13.91. All right, these numbers make a little more sense for us. We got 741 by 13.91. All right, on paper, this should be, if you take volt amps, this would be 10,307 watts. But we know that's not true, so we're going to take our reading here of 7890 divided by 10,307, and we find out at 1 ohm, this B2 M1s, we have an efficiency here of just over 76%. Pretty solid amp. Now again, accuracy-wise, this is not going to be 100% accurate, but this is the best I can do for this test. So, I mean, I just take it with a grain of salt. That's the best. Those are the best numbers I can get. All right. All right, again, guys, this was the B2 Audio M1s. This is Cody from Dropping Her Scar Audio. Hope you guys enjoy the results.